Hello YouTube, this is MD Imran Shah from imtext.wordpress.com. Today we are going to show you how to extract crash data for a particular project location. We do this crash data extraction for mostly traffic safety analysis, and we will do that using ArcGIS. So let's get started. Here we have the ArcGIS open. I'm using the ArcMap 10.2 version. Let's say we want to extract the crash data for this particular intersection. You can see there is a complex intersection here, and we want to extract how many, like the number of crash that occurred within this intersection. Let's say this is our project area. So first, we will add the crash data. I went to add data, and here this is my data folder. If you don't have the data folder, you can always add connection to folder. This is my crash data. I'm adding them, and you can see the crash data are added here. If I just remove the base map, remove the reference, you can see these are the crash data. Each point represent a particular crash data, and now we have two different type of crash data, but the structure of this data are same. If we open the attribute table here, the structure for this layer and the structure for this layer are same. So what can we do? We can merge them together into a one data layer, and then we can extract the data for that particular intersection. So first let's merge them together. I'll go to geoprocessing, and we will choose merge. We will put the input details, the first one and the second one, and we will save this layer to our project file. Let's say here's the project file. So this is our merged crash data. Merged. Save. Okay. So these two layer will be merged. Depending on the data size, it will take the time. If you have smaller data size, then it will quickly merge together and make a single layer file. Let's get back to the base map open with the reference. Okay, we don't need the reference, and it's merging right now. It will take time, as I said, depending on the amount of data. After that, what we will gonna do, we can draw the project location here, or we can simply extract the data. That's depends on you. Yeah, now it merged. Both the crash data now have been merged. These two have been merged into a single file here. So what can we do? We can off the previous layers. And one thing you should remember, that these two layers have been merged into a single layer, but the data has not been extracted yet, or the data has not been exported yet. So you have to export the data in order to secure your data file of the merge output. So we will save that. This is the data, and the previously we saved the layer. Save. Saved. Exporting the merged features, and then it will ask you whether you want to add a new layer using the exported data. Since we already have that, yes, here, do you want to add the exported data to the map as a layer? Since we already have that, so we don't need that. Okay, so now we will extract the crash data for our particular intersection. For our particular intersection, yes, the word imagery, yeah. Now you can do it either two way. First, you can draw the project location so that you can show your project location, or other than you can just select the features using the select features tool. I'm gonna do both way. First, I'm gonna draw the project location so that I can represent my project location in a visual way. In order to do that, you can create a polygon that shows your project area, this intersection. You don't need the data from the other side, others of the intersections. So you can draw here. Always right click here. You have all the toolbars here. We need the draw toolbar, and here we can draw a polygon. We can draw a polygon using the polygon features. Now I'm drawing the polygons to show the crash area, to show the project location. Here it goes, and finally you double click on it. It creates the graphics. This is just a graphics. This is not a layer. You have to convert this graphics into a layer in order to extract the data, in order to show that as a layer. So in order to convert this graphics as a layer, go to here in drawing and click convert graphics to features. And this is the polygon graphics. There's only one graphics, and the coordinate system must be same with the intersection coordinate system. So I select this layer source of data, and then I click OK. Do you want to export the data to map as a layer? Yes. So now we have a converted graphics into a layer, and since we have already converted that into layer, we don't need this original graphics. So I can delete this one. I can delete the graphics. Now we have this converted graphics as a layer and the merge crash data. Now we need the number of crash within these converted graphics. So in order to do that, we can go to geoprocessing and then use clip feature of ArcGIS and select the input feature. The input feature is the one that you want to extract, and the clip feature is the one that you want to use to extract. So you want the number of crash within the project area. So you select the clip features as a converted graphics and select the input features, the merge crash data, and then you can select your output here, save the output, okay, and it will start clipping. Now we have an output. So this output represents, if I change the color of this one, if I change the color of this one to red, so this output represents the number of crash within this particular intersection, or in other words, I can say within our project area. So in this way, you can extract the number of crash within the particular intersection of your concern. And this is the one way, and the other way is you can simply select the features without drawing the project area by using this select feature tools. If I remove everything, the converted graphics, and just keep the crash data here, I can select the crash data, select by polygon, and you just simply draw a polygon here, just the way we created our project area. Just select the create the polygon, and you can extract the crash data. In this way, you don't draw the project area. The project area, if you draw, you can show it for your visual presentation. Otherwise, you can select the crash data without drawing the project area, and you can create the layer. Go to the selected features layer, go to selection, and select create layer from selected features. And here's the output, the number of crash within that particular intersection. So thanks for watching this video. For more video, you can go on to imtext.wordpress.com and subscribe the website for more video tutorial on ArcGIS that focus on transportation application. Thank you.